We are officially on day 2 of the crop tour. We've made 4 stops so far today. We'll get into those numbers in a little bit, but wanted to kind of give you a rundown on what was found in day 1 from Pro Farmer Crop Tour. In day 1, Ohio, the average corn yield, they pegged it at 183.9. That was up from 174.17 last year and up from the 2020 to 2022 average, which was 175.6. South Dakota, 157.4. Up noticeably from last year, which has to be expected. South Dakota had some major issues with heat stress really throughout the growing season, so a big jump this year was definitely expected. But when looking at the 2020 to 2022 average, that's at 149.7. So 157 versus the 149.7, that's pretty good findings from South Dakota. Now, on the bean side of things, pod counts in Ohio and South Dakota were up year over year. Not much of a surprise there. Ohio above the 2020-2022 average, South Dakota below the 2020-2022 average. So again, soybeans are going to be the big ticket item, I think, as this crop tour continues on through the rest of the week. Now, our findings today, stop 1 was in Wabash County. Our yield check there was 155.9 bushels per acre, so not a great start to today's route. Cascoso, I'm sure I butchered that. I apologize. That was stop 2. At the yield of 222 bushels per acre. And then stop 3 was Fulton County, where it was 171. And that's where we really saw our first dented corn of the tour. We're starting to see that a little bit more frequently as we continue to work west. So again, Fulton County, we had it 171. Stop 4, Marshall County, 172.7. Those were all District 2 counties. And the District 2 average, 185 last year. So I would say we're floating around there. It's going to be interesting to see what the other scouts find on their tour. Those data points will be released this evening. We'll be sure to send that out in an email later.